Is your 1998 Mercedes E320 key fob not working? The most common culprits are a dead battery, loss of synchronization, or a blown fuse. First, replace the CR2032 battery, ensuring the contacts are clean. If that doesn't work, attempt a resync. Insert the key into the ignition, turn to position 1, not starting the car, and within 10 seconds, press the unlock button on the fob. Repeat for the lock button. Finally, check the fuse box under the hood for the IR or central lock fuse. A multimeter should show continuity 0 ohms, replace if blown. These 3 steps resolve most issues. If the basic fixes like battery replacement, resync, and fuse checks fail, the problem is likely with the IR receiver module inside the car. This requires more advanced diagnostics. You'll need OBD2 diagnostic tools or professional assistance to properly diagnose and potentially replace the IR receiver module. Also consider the growing trend of retrofitting modern radio frequency systems. These kits are available for $100 to $300 from aftermarket suppliers like Car Keyman. This upgrade solves the IR system's range limitations and line-of-sight dependency, providing a more reliable keyless entry experience for your classic Mercedes. Remember to check online forums like Ben's World for model-specific advice from other owners.